Okay. This is a little weird. So, that little clip that you seen in the beginning is a clip, allegedly, of a meteorite that fell in Panama. I think it's Pedregal, Panama. Fell from the sky in Panama onto a man's property a few days ago, maybe a week or so ago. And I have been watching this man's account. This meteorite has flourished some sort of being. Don't know if it's like plant slash animals. It really almost looks like something plant-based. Very strange, right? Where the meteorite fell, the contents of the dirt glows at night, number one. Number two, right after this man managed to pick up this meteorite, which was on fire, by the way, had to be cooled down with water, etc., before he was able to pick it up. He brings this, he has this meteorite in his house under like almost like on a cake dish, right, with glass over this object. And he put these leaves on this meteorite. And this meteorite burned these leaves like it was nothing. So it got me, it has me wondering, is it possible that some plant DNA was transferred to the meteorite, and now all of a sudden it's growing this plant slash animal? You know what it reminds me of, y'all? A homunculus. Do you remember the homunculus that the Russian guy grew with his DNA? The couple of homunculuses that he made using his DNA. Very fascinating. The guy's account is named Ken, Kin. If you search Venom Ken, you'll find a playlist with a bunch of his videos. But he's been posting like 2, 3, 4 videos a day showing this object. And when I tell you, this object has quadrupled in size. Every video he makes, like, this object has grown so huge. I got really freaked out when he was handling this. It wasn't necessarily the meteorite, like picking up the meteorite and handling the meteorite without gloves on. But when this thing started growing out of this meteorite, he was touching it with his hands. He's now wearing gloves. I think he's taken the advice of many people on TikTok that's like, yo, you need to wear some gloves. And then, is it radioactive? Possibly. What is this thing? Has anyone ever seen a case like this ever with any like meteorite that's fell out of the sky? I so want to see y'all's comments on this. Let me know.